Oh man, I know why you are here. Your water dispenser on your fridge stopped working. That delicious fresh water. And now you have to settle for tap water or something substandard. So hopefully this video can help you out. This is what happened to me. Go for a glass of water and nothing. So what is going on? There could be lots of possible reasons. So let's go through a few today, and hopefully that can solve your problem. So we're going to take a look here. First thing, identify the actual spigot. It's got that, in this case, it's the little white tube sticking out right there. And we're looking for any type of blockage, mildew buildup, or, some type of physical barrier that's preventing that from putting water out. I don't see anything. It looks clear, and gosh, this thing was working yesterday without issue, so I doubt it was, something that sudden in terms of a blockage. Next, we're going to make sure the water filter is installed correctly, that didn't twist off or anything like that. That could be another possible reason why it's shutting off. But no, we're good there. Let's go a step further. We're going to unscrew, lefty-loosey here, we're going to unscrew the water filter. And yours might be different, so read your manufacturer's instructions on how to properly remove and reinstall this, right? There could be a blockage inside the water filter. So I'm not going to assess that, but I'm going to just do a visual, and it seems like it's okay. And if I'm going to try some other things, I don't want to have to replace the water filter. You certainly could replace it if you suspect perhaps your water filter is nearing the end of its life or is past that. You would want to probably replace it at this point to eliminate that as a possible culprit. Mine's pretty new, and so it's about a month old. So we're not nearing the end of the life. So let's look at the anatomy of this particular fridge. This is side-by-side GE. And the water intake line actually extends from the floor behind the fridge, right? It's a water line, fresh water, and it's coming up through the door, not at the top hinge, but the bottom hinge. Let's get a better look underneath. So you can actually see kind of what is the passage or the path of this. You can see there's the water line. It's the clear white tube, and that's coming back from behind the fridge, and it's coming up through the freezer door like this. So guess what I suspect is happening? Well, before I tell you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you think somebody might benefit, friends, family, whatnot. I'd appreciate that. Okay, so my theory is that the water line may be actually frozen for some reason. Why it's freezing is another story, and I'll tackle that in another video, but we're going to make sure that our freezer is turned up to maximum temperature. Should be like 0 to 10 degrees. We're going to turn it up basically as high as it'll allow us to and just wait. Yes, several hours. And guess what? This solved the problem. It was frozen. You could certainly de-thaw your freezer if you wanted to, but that's what worked for me. Another idea, it could be a bad valve. There's several other things that could happen, but try those first, and hopefully that solves your problem. Thanks so much.